tree. By the sound of the cedar limit was singing in your hands upon my knee. So we're okay, we're fine. Baby, I'm here to stop your crying. Chase all the coals from your head. I'm stronger than the monster built with your bed. Smarter than the tricks played on your heart. We'll look at them together, then we'll take them apart. Adding up the total of a love that's true. Multiply life by the power of two. Thank you.
Thank you, La Arnie.
Arnie, maraming salamat. Thank you. Maraming salamat.
We want that to be our theme song by your birthday. We're going to sing that, boy, you and
Power
I.
of two. Yun
Sa
ang kaya
birthday
natin.
mo, oo.
Okay.
Hindi, and sino yung mga kasama natin? Isa Seguera, Jed Madela,
Our
si
favorite.
Rap, my favorite.
Ronnie.
Ronnie, and then, sino pa? Si Eric.
Mangarap na
Baka
tayo.
ma-hurt, diba?
Mangarap
Hindi
na tayo. Martin at Gary.
Why
Let's
not?
invite them.
Okay. Yan ang ano natin.
Jaja.
All-star cast talaga for boy's birthday.
Okay, Zia is also part of the show, right?
Yes, Zia, our
Oh,
youngest sister.
wonderful.
Galing. What's she gonna do? She's going
to play the guitar and
With
jam
Rani.
Yeah, may number kami dalawa ni Zia.
Galing.
Duo kami.
Sabi namin ni Eric, ang haba yata ng show. Pero sabi ko nga sa abroad, lalo na sa ating mga kababayan po, the longer the shows are, the better. Ganun
Oh,
sila
because
ka-homesick, ika
It's
nga.
like a family reunion,
It is.
diba?
It's actually, yeah.
It is.
Wonderful.
Celebration of family. I'm talking about family. Alam mo pala, Arnie, you're the darling pala of Philippine Women's University. Talaga,
Dito
yes.
ako nag-aral.
Doon siya nag-aral. At saka, some teachers came to me and said that...
Tapos ka?
Not yet.
Nag-graduate?
One sem na lang.
pero tuloy-tuloy pa rin ang pag-aaral.
One sem na
Ngayon po,
lang.
tinatapos ko na lang yung thesis ko.
Praise
Wow.
God.
Anong kurso?
Education po ako.
Mabuhay ka.
Thank you.
Mabuhay ang Philippine
Ay,
Women's
maging
University.
teacher ka. Ang wonderful.
Really, oo. At saka talagang tumulong ang buong university. Talagang involved sila sa iyo, no?
Daddy Pugoy, tatanungin ko lang kayo ngayon, what is the best thing na nangyari sa inyo through this experience?
Sa akin po, napakarami. Halos hindi ko po masabi kung ano. Pero naibat po talaga na iba.
Ikaw, Pugoy.
Yun nga po, life-changing talaga. Kasi hindi ko inaakala na, diba, dati nandun lang kami sa bukid, magkasama kami.
Pero alam mo, Bugoy, kahit saan kayo mapunta, one time in your life, kahit maging matagumpay ka na, maging sobrang yaman mo na, don't lose your way kung saan ka man mapunta, ika nga.
Having a dad as famous as your dad, di ba? What's the best thing about your dad? Let's start with Vandolph.
Yung siya, kung sino si Dolphy talaga. Yung, alam natin kung gaano kabait ng airpod ko, di ba? Parang,
Graciousness.
Yun,
I think that's the
thank
word
you,
eh.
thank you.
Tama ba, boy? Yung parang,
Gracioso, right.
yes, yung effortless graciousness.
Yes.
Kasi di ba merong mga gracious na alam mo medyo pakitang tao or because na-training ang sariling ganon. Pero yung kanya likas, yung
Yun.
pagiging gracioso sa lahat ng tao at magaan.
Yun.
Magaan kasama.
Sa akin, if there's one thing na masasabi ko about my dad, he really has a big heart eh. And that's why I'm not really surprised why people love him. He has a capacity to love everyone naman eh. So you're drawn to someone like that kasi you realize ang daming taong minahal ng tao. And you want to be part of that kind of love.
That's true.
For me naman, I think he's really he's a charismatic person. Kumbaga parang his charisma is overwhelming na you get attached to him just like what Ronnie said. And plus the fact that he's really a humanitarian.
Hindi, very
Messianic
sweet
factor.
talaga.
He's bigger than life.
No,
Diba?
kasi the last time I was with him, nung nag-cooking portion kami, sinabi niya, alam mo, bawat maklaran ko, pinagtitirik ko ng kanila ang mama at pinagdadasal ko talaga kalusugan niya. And I know that he meant it.
Alam mo, Eric, napakahalaga sa akin ng libro because when I read it, di ba, we lionize, iba ang pananaw natin kay Mang Dolphy. After reading the book, ang naramdaman ko, tao si Mang Dolphy. At higit sa lahat, ang dami niyang natutunang leksyon sa buhay, pero hindi siya takot tanggapin yung kanyang mga mali.
What do you wanna tell your dad right now na pwede mong ibahagi sa aming lahat?
like before pa, when I'm with you in different countries or anywhere, ako yung bodyguard mo. Ako parating nasa likod mo. to help you, to guide you, and I owe him my life.
In the literal sense talaga.
Yes.
Diba? Alam natin lahat yung pinagdaanan ni Vandals. And
Right.
I think kinalampag ng dad mo ang buong langit talaga.
Actually, kami ni Eric, magpapasalamat din kami sa daddy ko kasi my dad's secretive eh. I don't think my dad will ever, talk about his life like that kung hindi siya nakinig sa amin. Hope, so medyo magpapasalamat din ako sa kanya because we're really doing this for him.
When he turned 75, we really wanted to come up with a book already. And then, siguro na naging busy siya, naging busy ako, naging busy kaming lahat. And then, when his 80th birthday was fast approaching, sabi ko sa kanya, Dad, I think it's about time that we do this. Sabi niya, ang tanong ko lang sa kanya, Dad, ready ka na ba? Sabi niya, sige, gawin na natin. Because the reason why I'm doing this is it's not to glorify him. Not that. Because there's so many people who want to know him better. So we're just sharing his life with everyone, with the Filipino people.
Laani, mabuhay. Good luck sa lahat ng iyong endeavors, ika nga.
Thank you so
Kinakabahan ka ba
Medyo.
ngayon sa iyong karera? But you've such a brilliant voice.
Correct.
Di ba?
And it can
Nag-usap
only
na ba
get
kayo ni
better.
Chet Madela pagkatapos yung lumabas dito sa Boy and
Text na ba siya?
Hindi pa kayo
No, you went
nagtitext?
abroad. You went to Italy.
May excuse.
Sana may pasalubong.
Ah,
Alamin nga natin yan. Jed, if you're watching, magbabalik pa po ang
4.
Chris.